Okay, I have not did a auto vlog or moto vlog in a long time, so I'm trying it out. It's been a while since I gave you one, so here we go. Let's talk about my experience over at Can-Am this year for the 2024 release. I'm actually going to be doing another video. Let's go with this fool who backed up in the middle of the road on me. I guess I could put this. There were no changes to the 2024. It wasn't broke, so don't fix it. That was the attitude. Colorway changes. They did get rid of the white rims. I don't know if that was by design or by feedback, but they had to tackle the issues that were most important to their core base. That I learned, tooling, design, retrofitting, things like that. Let me see if I can put this in here. Okay, yeah, so tooling, designing, retrofitting. These are the things I learned about when you're building a bike, getting things approved by the National Highway Transportation Safety Board, EPA. A lot of things go into creating. So even if they change one thing, there has to be so much rigorous testing. And I do believe they tried to tackle the most issues, even though you might think, but if 75% of the core base is in love with the Ryker, then they're probably not going to change it, right? I mean, you have a few people who want this, want that, but it's the base. Everybody loves it. As for the Spyder, the issue was that since it was a higher-end vehicle, let's say, that they should incorporate some higher-end features. So that's why you saw the, well, let me drop my lens down. That's why you saw the LED screen come up and be standard on all Spyders going forward, which is pretty cool because that's what a lot of people ask for, integrated Apple Play or Apple Car, whatever it is. And it's also integrated in the helmet. So having a touchscreen is pretty cool. A lot of things that pop up, messages on your bike will pop up on the screen, which is helpful. You know, navigation, all that cool stuff, right? It's they have something for Android, but I believe it'll have to be Bluetooth. So that's one of the biggest changes. Oh, they did get rid of the standard F3, so now the base model will be the F3S. A lot of design to the sea, the sky, a lot of improvements on handling and things of that nature. So that's what they really attacked. I do believe the big issue, well, not really an issue, but the big change was they went after their off-road constituent and fan base. So they did some serious improvements to their off-road. They spent a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of redesign on that. I believe that was one of the biggest things that they needed to change. The core base was looking for something a little different, so they attacked it heavy, and I think they did a good job. As for their apparel, definitely a major improvement. Helmets, gear, swag was definitely, and I saw a big improvement from last year to this year. What else do we have to go to? Oh, the Aquatics, I guess you could say, all you guys, there was a big push for jet skis. So the Can-Am Spark is leading in sales with the watercraft, so there was a big push on that, and design changes, which was caused a lot of excitement. Then you can go back to all the sea, but the waterline, the aquatic crafts, they all were redesigned, reconfiguration. So like I said, a lot of the design was not focused on the Ryker, because I don't believe the Ryker needed any changes. I mean, maybe little things here, but you know, what can you get? You get off of your aftermarkets, right? So it was more preference and what the people were saying. More people say that they like the way the Ryker is, and they want to stick to the design, and you won't see any changes in that. There's a big push for their electric. That's a big thing they're focused on now too, is working on that. So we're gonna see that electric come out. I don't know where I got left off when it got cut off, but just wanted to give a shout out to Coach Bob. It was a pleasure meeting him. Beth from YouTube, Ryker Rods, and Sean Smokes, also vloggers and YouTubers that were invited to the Can-Am event. Just wanted to say it was great meeting them. Pleasure. I've watched their videos, so just had a good time, man. They treated us well, fed us good. We slept in a nice hotel. Of course, met some of the people I met from last year there. That was always a pleasure. But like I said, you know, I know people were saying they were disappointed with Can-Am this year when it came to the Ryker, but I understand the moves they make. And once you understand that, you get a sense of why they do what they do. Certain things I would have definitely changed. There was just certain colorways that I felt was like, they could have just did a little bit more, but you know, it was one of those things where I enjoyed it. Just minor changes. That was easy to deal with, though. That was easy to understand. But we had a good time. It was a real good time. We ate. Atlanta was nice. I think that was my second time in Atlanta. The year before that, it was Utah. So, can't wait where it's going to be for 2025. The electric bikes was dope. That was cool. The electric bikes. So I have everything filmed. I'm gonna do a recap. Video and show you what all the bikes look like and all that cool stuff. So well, like I said, it's been a long time since I did a vlog, so I'm just want to bring something out for you guys. Nothing long, just any questions you might have. I'm gonna do a live stream and show y'all all the bikes. I did a live stream, of course, while I was there, but I'm gonna do I didn't get a chance to talk to you guys about what I was seeing, so my next live stream will be a walk around the showroom, and we could talk and I could try to answer some of the questions. It's very hard to answer the questions from before. It was loud, a lot was going on, of course, but the journey has been great. I have not traveled anywhere since I got back, but that week, that past month, I was in Chicago, then to North Carolina, then to Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, and then I went to Atlanta. So I'm kind of traveled out. I got Milan, Italy coming up. Of course, the biggest bike show in the world. That's always a blast. And that's pretty much what I got going on now. So, of course, I got giveaways as usual. I got a whole lot of stuff to give away because I've been traveling, so I haven't been able to keep up on my giveaways. So definitely got a bunch of stuff for you guys. I got stickers, I got patches, I got products. So we're gonna have some fun this winter. Well, it's winter for me coming up because we're just hitting September. Hopefully I can get all of September and October into riding season. If not, you know, we still got the live streams. I'll definitely be dropping live streams for you. As for content, you know, YouTube is not really pushing out my content as heavy as I want it to be. It seems like I'll be just dropping a lot of shorts and things like that. But yeah, like I said, shout out to all the YouTubers that came out for the Can-Am event. Shout out to all the people at Can-Am and some great people, of course. Shout out to you guys for following the live. Like I said, we're going to be able to discuss the pros and cons of what happened at that event. Get the real input of what's going down. And talk about new things that should be coming up for me and the channel. Hopefully this was all the audio was picked up. Won't sound crazy on me because so that's it, everybody. I will see you on the next live show. Peace out, and always remember, ride safe, everybody. Ride safe.